Hi everyone and welcome to Autodesk PowerMill, the complete course. I hope you are fine and well. So let's get started. We have the module number 1, which is all about the introduction to PowerMill. So in this module, what we are going to cover is what is PowerMill and applications in the industry and basic workflow of PowerMill 2024 and understanding the PowerMill 2024 user interface. So let's get started. The first question in our mind is all about what is PowerMill. So PowerMill is a highly specialized NC computer-aided manufacturing software that is considered a leader in the industry for manufacturing intricate shapes. These complex geometries are often seen in sectors such as tool making, tool designing, jig fixtures, automotive sectors, and aerospace manufacturing. And here are some features of the PowerMill that we have a variety of milling or machining strategies in it, and high efficiency roofing quickly removes a large amount of material within minimal tool wear, and high speed finishing and 5-axis machining techniques. So moreover, we have the fast calculation times. So this software is designed for rapid calculation of tool parts, which are the rules taken by cutting tools to shape the material. So this efficiency is crucial for reducing the time between design and production. And some powerful editing tools we have. PowerMill includes robot editing capabilities that enables users to fine-tune the tool paths. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.